When connecting to an SAP NetWeaver BW-BEX query that contains hierarchical data, you can create prompts or take advantage of existing variables in the query. These prompts enable you to set up query prompt selectors that display and allow you to navigate through a hierarchy. In this tutorial, you will modify an existing query to add a prompt for the country hierarchy, and then add a query prompt selector to the dashboard to display that hierarchy. Note that the dashboard contains a query based on an SAP BW-BEX query, and a table has already been added to display the product hierarchy and order amount measure from the data source. If the BEX query does not already contain a variable that has been set up to prompt users, you must add the prompt in the query panel. Edit the existing query. Click Query Browser. Click Edit. Note that you cannot add the same hierarchy to both the result objects and filters panels. If you want to filter on and display the same hierarchy, you must set up a variable in the BEX query, instead of creating a prompt in the query panel. Add the country hierarchy to the filters panel. Click to expand the country dimension. Click to drag and drop the country hierarchy 3 hierarchy into the filters panel. Enable users to select multiple values, and turn the filter into a prompt. Click the list of operators. Select In List. Click the list of operands. Select Prompt. You can choose default values for the prompt. Select the Set Default Values checkbox. Click the button to the right of the text box. Double-click the World node. Double-click the Not Assigned Countries node. Click OK. Confirm your changes to the prompt. Click OK. Once you have created the prompt, preview the results and confirm your changes. Click Next. Click Run. Click Next. Click OK. Click Query Browser. The prompt now displays in the query browser. Note that if the BEX query contains a variable that has been set up to prompt users, it will also appear in this list, and can be added to the canvas the same as a prompt that you manually create in the query panel. Add the prompt to the dashboard. Click to drag and drop the prompt onto the canvas. Preview the results. Click Preview. Note that the Query Prompt Selector component is automatically configured to display the hierarchical data. You can search for values, select all or none of the members, change how the members are displayed, expand or collapse the individual nodes, and select or deselect individual members. Select different members to see how the data in the table changes. Clear the Not Assigned Countries checkbox. Clear the World checkbox. Click to expand the EMEA node. Select the Middle East checkbox. Select the Africa checkbox. Click Apply. Note that the values in the table have changed. Make another selection. Click to expand the Africa node. Select the South Africa checkbox. Select the Zimbabwe checkbox. Select the Egypt checkbox. Clear the Africa checkbox. Click Apply. Click Preview again to return to the workspace. You have successfully managed query prompts for hierarchical data in a BEX query. This is the end of the tutorial.